Hello everyone. So for dinner we are having garlic butter shrimp. So right now I'm going to pretty much fry the shell of the shrimp and get that into the oil, and then I'll be frying. Then we'll be frying the shrimp in the shrimp oil. So right now we're just making the shrimp oil, and while that is frying, I will be seasoning the shrimp a little bit. So I'll be putting about a half teaspoon of paprika and half teaspoon of lemon pepper and just a little bit of cayenne, make it a little spicy, but you don't have to add it. And a little bit of creole seasoning. Just get that in there, about a teaspoon, half teaspoon. And then I will be adding 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and that's is what's going to make this I'll add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And that's going to make the shrimp very crispy. So I'm going to add this, fry the shrimp shells, and I will do that. So I drained the oil of the shrimp shells, and I'm going to put the shrimp in the oil, and I did add about a tablespoon of butter. So now I'm just going to basically fry the shrimp. Be more careful this time. Alright. There you go. So about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, trying not to overcook the shrimp, and then I will show you what happens next. So I fried the shrimp, and this is what it looks like so far. So now I'm making the garlic butter. So I put about 2 tablespoons, 2.5 tablespoons of butter back in the pan. And now I minced garlic in the food processor. So this is nice, fresh garlic. Now I have just a little bit of chopped parsley. Stir that together and then put the shrimp back in the pan just for a short amount of time. But I'm going to brown the garlic a little bit and then put the shrimp back in. So I will see you once it's done.
That smells good.
Back in the pan. And now I'm going to turn this off actually since this doesn't burn too much. I might have overcooked it just a little bit, but it's still going to be delicious. And now it's ready to plate, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, and now we are done, and I just garnished it with a little bit of fresh parsley and a little bit of broccolini, and look how delicious. And it did come out just nice and crispy as well. So are you ready to eat this, babe?
That looks good.
Good. And does it smell good?
Mm-hmm.
And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you guys can use this and make this on your own.
Okay, bye.